absolutely vital to start giving people hope. And this issue has been addressed at the highest level, the heads of state and government at the European Council in October, when outlining the strategy to improve economic activity. Emphasis was put on the digital single market, so that the barriers could be eliminated, so that the electronic services could be put in place for citizens, businesses and public administrations to reap the benefits and the potential of IT to give people hope. Ideally, that would be the case, but we've seen that this is not possible. First of all, we've seen at the national level, things are not done with a view to cross-border services. We've seen that initiatives to create, for instance, electronic identification across the member states has not been possible up to now, even though it has been recognised as a priority for several years. Similarly for e-procurement. It's very well understood that things are moving so fast that unless there is a concentrated effort at a pan-European level, we will not deliver what's necessary for the single market. Citizens, businesses are waiting for sustainable, secure services. To achieve that, you have to have architecture. You have to have data models. You have to have interoperability between systems. Interoperability at the level of core platforms with electronic identification, telecommunication networks, but also interoperability at the level of generic services like e-procurement. It's more than the wrapper. It's the enabler. It is the vital element. Because, as I said, if you are building these mission-critical systems, if you are going to guarantee scalability and security and reliability, which is what citizens and all the stakeholders want, you must move from an architecture. You must have an interoperability strategy so that the systems in member states can interoperate with one another, and the services at a pan-European level can be built on top of those interoperable components. So unless we have a strategy, unless we have a framework for these developments, we will not be able to put in place the systems that are necessary for the single market.